going to see the new baby bluebirds.
Yeah, they're ugly, but it's the miracle of hatching. It's not the miracle of birth. Dad said this is me.
The birds have risen this Easter Sunday morning.
Please don't make the mama.
Let's see if Mommy Bird's in there.
Is the mama in there?
No, not right now.
Okay, can you open it so I can see it?
We will.
Are they? Oh, hi, little guys. There's only one more egg in there that needs to hatch. Are they sleeping?
Those are some ugly, ugly birds. They're sleeping.
Mama's off going to find them some worms.